Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, February the 10th, 2023, last working day of the week. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 star Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku. And we have also 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle in this additional is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 2 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, as you know, a couple of days there was an earthquake in in Turkey and also in Syria. Yeah, Syria. And now the casualties or people not survived that. Yeah, 20,000 people. Wow, 20,000 people. But there are a lot of rescue people to rescue the people who are under the houses, and still a few people come alive out of the houses. So almost 100 hours after the earthquake. Enough of the news, sad news. Let me start with the Light Sudoku. And this one will be number, I believe, 5937. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, then this will be a 1 star. Yeah, a 1 star puzzle. It's a 1 star puzzle. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Let me pick another digit. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column. Sorry, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the number 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Alright. Then. 3, 3, 3. These three missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. Alright, so 3, 3, okay. 5, 5. 8, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9. Yeah. 7, 2. Come on, this is taking too long. 2, 2. 6, 6. 1, 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Third column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third column for number 6. 6, 6, okay. 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and 8 in the first row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. 3 and then 9. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 4, 8. Then 3, 3. 1, 2, 2, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers now in the last column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in this second row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 2. Okay. 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. 7 and 9. I need to wait for marking those boxes. How about the number 8 in this row? 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. Right, okay. 1, 1. Come on. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then. 3. Come on. 8. 8. Come on. Two missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright, and now. 2. How about 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Do we have all the 7s? And no, 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7s should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 3, 4. 3, 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be here. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6. Then 4, 6. 4, 6, 5. 5. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. Here should be the 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. And the 5 in the middle row. So no 4 and the 5 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Now, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes, so the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be here. So the 4 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes, okay. As a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Okay. Then. 3, 3, 3. Okay. And now 4, 4, 4. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 3 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So here I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 to 5, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Yeah. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then we have a pair, I believe. The 4 and 8 in this column. The 4 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 now in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow! Not faster than 15 minutes. Not faster. Not faster. So, not pleased with the time, so let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye-bye for now.